Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson I'll be teaching you how to calculate a range. Guys, I just want to take this time and thank everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe now. Let's just get to it. It's gonna be like numbers is equals to list, and inside the list we're gonna put some numbers from 1 to 10, but I'm gonna mix them. Them, yeah, just like that. And now we're gonna define our variable, which is maximum, and it's equals to max. Inside the max it's numbers, and the other is minimum, is equals to mini for minimum, and inside it's numbers also. So our answer is gonna be print quotation marks your ranges plus minimum, don't forget a string there, plus a question mark, column, plus string again, and maximum now. So let's test our code, start debugging, and this is our answer. This is the code, is working fine. Guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, see you next time.